Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Personalizing your contacts with photos can help you quickly recognize who is calling or messaging you. Changing a contact photo on your iPhone is simple and can be done in a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, tap on the Contact app from your home screen. You can also access contacts through the phone app by tapping the Contact tab at the bottom. Scroll through the list of contacts and tap the contact whose photo you want to change. In the contact details, tap on Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Now you tap on Add Photo. Here you'll be presented with a few options, either to take a photo, that is, use your camera to take a new photo, or select a photo from your photo library. You can also use custom memoji or animoji as contact photos. Tap on the photo circle or select Add Memoji or Add Animoji to create a fun animated avatar. Some social media apps like Facebook and WhatsApp can automatically update contact photo if they are linked to your contact. And that's it guys. Changing a contact photo on your iPhone is a quick way to add a personal touch to your contact list. With just a few taps, you can customize your contact photo to make your phone experience more enjoyable and visually appealing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.